Hey everyone. So I'm in the city right now, and I've been on this site. It's like a shoring site. They're digging. Oh, there you go. So there's like piles pounded in the ground. They put the wood planks in, and they start digging out the ground and breaking up the bedrock and just shale and the clay and all that kind of stuff. So they put underground parking lots here. Or basements for buildings. Basically, I think this is going to be a condominium based on my previous experience with this company. Anyways, yeah. So they have a tower crane. Yeah. And they hold these like buckets up, like they pick up with, they take buckets with the crane and dump concrete. There's concrete trucks just like flowing constantly in this place. So I've been fixing buckets, just aluminum buckets, just using the spool gun, and working on accessories that hold up forms, like strong backs is what they're called. There's a bucket right there. That's a bucket. I've been fixing those. So I've been here for 2 days, just welding angle iron and aluminum channel and stuff, just fixing cracks and extending things so that they can build forms. And it's not exactly like real interesting stuff, so I haven't been filming. But I was just about to leave, and they're like, well, for your last job, like, oh, what do we got? Like, you got to climb the tower crane, and they have a broken rung on the ladder. And there's some concern about the Ministry of Labor giving them a hard time about it. So yeah, I figured this might be kind of interesting. I don't know if that maybe make a good video for you guys. I don't know, probably. We'll go take a look at it. We'll go see what we're getting ourselves into here before we agree to anything. I already said I'd do it, but I don't have to do it right now. It's like the end of the day. But I think these guys are staying late to pour concrete, so let's go find out. We'll do some climbing. You guys can see how violently out of shape I am when it comes to physical activity. Let's go climb some ladders. It's like 100 feet up, so it's a good thing I'm not really afraid of heights. But yeah, let's go. All right, I'm gonna stick you guys in my pocket. Hopefully you can hear / see me, see what I'm seeing. So this is kind of like a point of view thing. I'm gonna go do the thing. Let's go find out what we're doing. Alright, we've already seen our first repair of a rung, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be the same thing. I think it's right there. That tower crane's a lot closer right now. Yeah, there it is right there. It's that galvanizing hole. I'll get you guys up closer. Alright. Alright, so this comes off with bolts. So I don't know how much I actually have to be up here welding, but hey, look, my truck's little. Yeah, that's pooched. And so is that side. That one's got cracks starting in it too. So that one's been welded, that one's been welded. It's crazy thin material. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable trying to stick weld that all the way up here. I brought enough cable to get me up here, but unfortunately I think we got to take this down. So undo that and that. Man, this thing moves a lot. This tower moves like an inch back and forth or two with the wind. That's crazy. Anyways, yeah, so I have to go down there and talk to the guys, but we're probably gonna have to MIG weld this. This is very thin. This is like, they use like 16th thick tubing and then drilled big holes in it for the galvanizing. Really bad design, especially for how high up in the air it is. But yeah, stick welding this isn't gonna be, like, I would do it if it was not something that if it broke off and a guy fell, that would suck. Yeah, I'm not into this. I'm not gonna be able to get the MIG welder out this spot. So we gotta take this section of the cage down. It looks like, holy, this thing twists a lot. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get down before this thing, like, you know, comes apart. Okay, so we're back. We had to put a little thing in to teach the, or not teach, but to say, this is how I want to do it. Had to come back here the following week. So basically, one of these rungs here is broken off up top now. And I didn't want to try and stick weld it 150 feet in the air, and this stuff's super duper thin. So I said, let's take the ladder down. It comes out in sections, put it down at the truck, we'll fix it at the truck, and then we'll bring it back. So they said yes. So that's what we're doing. I climbed up here, I got my tools. I'm gonna try and take this cage off and put a lifting strap around it and lower it down into here. I can sit down here, and then I'll probably lift this one either up there or drop it back down here. And we'll try and get it outside through the tower. We use a tower crane to lift it down to the ground. So yeah, wish me luck. The idea with this is if it drops, it won't fall and hurt somebody. And I can use it to lower it down. I think I'll take all the bolts out except for the top ones, and then I'll take the top ones out last so it doesn't break free on me. All right, got the cage off. Now we're gonna get the ladder off. The ladder's just on hooks, so I'm just gonna lower it down and then try to figure out how to fly it out of here. Looks like there's something stuck on it up top. Go free it up. All right, I got it down. I'm gonna attach a sling to the middle, call the tower crane operator to lift it out, and see how that goes. And there it goes, folks. Just got it here, hook the cables to it, and send it off down the thing. I didn't end up using my sling. I put two things on it, two clasps. The reason I couldn't record it was I had to talk to the tower operator on the phone, so I couldn't record and talk on the phone at the same time. But there you go, guys. He's gonna fly it down to my truck, and somebody will go and hook it, and I'll
get my butt down there and go fix that stuff. I just gotta weld this one rung here back on, and then it looks like there's another one that's cracked, so I'll fix that too while it's down there. But yeah, I'll climb down and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, I got 6 welds put in. Re-welded the top one too because somebody stick welded it and it was probably done in position because like half of it wasn't, they probably weren't able to get at it, so just tossed 6 MIG welds on it. Some decent burn through, as you can tell. Yeah, tower crane's on his way over, so we'll fly this up. Okay, so we've got it up here. I apologize for all the crappy shots. I forgot my GoPro, and this is my cell phone. Just kind of precariously put on things. So it's up here now. I just gotta get it up the rest of the way. Alright, so now the serious bit. You guys have been telling me to eat bananas the other way, so we're gonna try this 150 feet in the air here. Ooh, pocket banana got a little squished. But anyways, we're gonna try it. I feel like this isn't as good now because the banana's kind of split a little bit at the end. It's not really like a fair representation. I'll try it from this side. We'll go from this side. Alright, yeah, I see your point. I see your point. There's less rigmarole in doing it that way. That's a thing. Still tastes the same though. Alright, I would suggest opening it from the other end. You guys are right. Thank you for the multiple comments I got saying to eat bananas the other way. Okay guys, that's the end of that one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go down and put my tools away and move on to the next job. Like, comment, subscribe. If you've got any questions, hit them down below. I always try to answer them for you guys. Yeah, I feel like people are watching me, so I gotta get going. See ya.